Hello, it is Thursday, November 3rd, and this video comes to you in 4 parts. 3 of them arguably biology, and the 4th physics, although I'm not going to do them in that order. So, this week, I've done some reading. I've read this book, and when I say I've read this book, I don't mean I've read parts of this book, I mean I've read this book since last Thursday. So that was fun. And from it, I've made up a 275 question Quizlet of things that I wish to commit to memory by Saturday. And if you're asking yourself why I did this, it's because I have the SAT biology subject test on Saturday, and it was within this pursuit of reading this book and watching, doing crash course videos that I found out what a cephalopod is. And this is exciting to me because there is a video game called Catherine that consists of a bunch of questions that you have to answer, and Bennett walked me through all of these questions one time at Subway, and we answered them, and in recent times I've done the same thing with other people. And my favorite question in the entire game is, would you rather kiss a beautiful corpse or an alien cephalopod? And every time I've done this, people ask me, what is a cephalopod? And I'm like, not sure. But now I can tell you with authority that it is a mollusk. Mollusks having 3 body parts, a muscular foot that they use to move around, a visceral mass which hosts their organs, and a mantle which may or may not produce a shell. In the case of cephalopods, it typically doesn't, because cephalopods include like octopi and squid. But yep, so this was a big deal to me to learn about cephalopods, which have poisonous spit, I learned. So perhaps you would prefer the beautiful corpse. In physics, my group and I have a fair amount of fun doing stuff. We had an assignment where we had 2 buggies that we had to figure out, given a certain distance apart, where they would collide in the middle. And of course, they both curved, so that's an issue. So we got our 2 buggies, a blue one and a red one. We named one of them Annihilator and the other one Kitten. And when we did our trial runs, we had 2 computers up, and the computer next to Annihilator was playing melodic power metal, and the computer next to Kitten played Colby Cat. I need to look up how to say her name.
Calais.
And Bubbly by
Colby. Calais.
And today in physics, we had to do a thing with a ramp where we put a thing down a ramp, measured how fast it moved across the distance and all that, and we named the document Recreancy, meaning unfaithful to duty, is from 1640s. It's a noun. One who yields in combat, one who begs for mercy, one who admits defeat, hence coward, faint-hearted wretch. We like our celebratory terms in physics. And my last segment is talking about RIBS. So RIBS is a program I went to, or Research in Biological Sciences was a camp program thing I went to this last summer at the University of Chicago for 4 weeks. And it's like 200-ish people who apply, 40, 50 some get in, and I got into that. Oh wait, that's not news. And then further, around 10 of the people who attend that are invited to come back and work in faculty labs the next summer, and I was invited to do that, which is awesome, and I'm relieved because that means a good deal to me. I hope you both have fantastic weeks. Melissa, good luck with your play. That sounds like a lot of time. And Megan, I think you should just continually bring the Peppermint Collection back to writing, Fiction Workshop, just over and over and over again until you have a completed version of it for me. But yeah, once again, all the best. I'm going to edit in me eating an M&M from last week now.